Hi guys, it's Joe again here on behalf of Scott Country with the HikMicro M15 camera. So Paul asked me to give you guys a bit of an update on how I go about setting it up, or generally you go about setting it up. So here it is, turned off, out of the box. You're going to attach that part there obviously. First thing, take it off, little button down the bottom there, pulls out. You got a lot of batteries. But use good batteries, it'll be worth your time. Shut it back in, get yourself a memory card. They recommend a 32 gig memory card to make sure that you still get all the functions that you need and no problems with it. The 10-speed memory card, I believe. I use a scan disk anyway. And you'll see on the other side here, you've got your SIM card, which comes with the product out of the box, ready to go. On the side here, you've got your QR code, which is ready to scan. What you need to do is get your instructions out, but basically download the HikMicro site app, and in there, as you'll see in a minute, I'm going to share my screen in a minute, you'll be able to find out all the bits and bobs that you need to scan that to get it set up with your phone. So without further ado, let's have a look at the next stage. Okay, so we're going to get the HikMicro site app up, press add device, go down to trail camera, look for the M15 camera, and there's the various things that are inside the cover, putting in the batteries, etc. Once you've done that, it's going to give you the option to scan the QR code. It's very quick, as you can see. Comes straight up, connects it to your phone. Into product info on the right. First thing, check your data plan, because there will be some extra freebies you can get in there. You've already got 100 pictures for free. You can click on purchase and agree for an extra 300 at the minute. Happy days. 0. Confirm. So once you've done that, go back. You can see it there. You've got it all set up. Crack on into your device settings. I always like to change the camera mode to photo and video, so you get both. I leave the image resolution at 3MP. Change the remote control to real time, so that you can change it if you want to, if you need to. Check everything else is okay and as you want it to be. There's plenty of things you can fiddle around with there if you want to. Back into home. Check the device is updated to the most recent version. Back out of settings. Oh, you've got some more settings there you can check on as well. See your signal, your battery. Back into this. Check on your cloud album, which at the minute is a brand new registered device, so it's not going to have any, but you'll be able to see in my local device, which is the stuff that's saved to the actual camera itself. There's all the videos and photos that I've been sending through to Paul, which you've been seeing. And that's pretty much it for a minute. So let's go back out of this now and let's have a little look at how we get it up and how we get some photos coming through to our phone. Right, so I've just arrived at the destination where we're going to put the camera back up, where we've been seeing those bucks. You might be wondering, why am I putting a camera back up on video for you guys to see at 10 o'clock at night? Well, Paul asked me to do this earlier on today. I've taken the camera down this afternoon, but to be honest, I haven't seen those bucks for 5 days now, and I don't want to miss the opportunity to see them again, just to make sure they're still there and doing what they should be doing. So I'm going to get in there, we're going to do it in the dark, we're going to see what we get, and we're going to go from there. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so we're back with the camera where it was set originally, before Paul asked me to do all of this. So, quick pop open the camera, switch it to setup, make sure it's all doing what it should be with the green flashing lights, switch it to on, close the camera, and away you go. I put a little stick behind it there just to make sure that it's pointing downwards. Not going to miss anything. So I'm going to walk past this again in a second just to make sure that it is pinging to my phone, and that's it, job done. So that's it, I'm back home now. Quick and easy, didn't take too long. It's 11:05 now, so yeah, not too bad a job at all. Hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea how to set the camera up, get it on your phone, get your videos, photos coming through. Yeah, great bit of kit. Really would recommend it. I've had a whale of a time with it, so hope you do too. I'll be seeing you again. I'll keep on sending through a few videos, photos, see what we get, and wishing you all the best. Cheers.